Welcome. This is the Salesforce Reporting for Small Businesses course. I'll be your instructor. My name's Brian Hayes. I'm the principal consultant at Rotive. We're an official partner with Salesforce, and we focus on helping small businesses automate their processes. I hold 7 certifications from Salesforce, and I've helped hundreds of small businesses get more out of Salesforce. In this course, we're going to focus on helping you use reports effectively and build reports quickly. We've split this course into 3 primary modules. The first is an overview of reporting and dashboards. The second shows you how to build out different types of reports in the system, introduces you to the most important features in the builder, and the third shows you how to use those reports, leveraging different features in Salesforce to make sure that you don't just create a report and then completely forget about it. We've also thrown in a 4th module of bonus videos that go over more advanced topics that are useful to know, but they're not essential. This course is designed for somebody who's used Salesforce before. You should have a little familiarity about the different objects and the different functions in Salesforce, but you don't need to know anything about reporting or dashboards. That's what we're going to focus and cover today. Thanks for joining the course. I'll see you in the first lesson.